How to access Netflix secret menu. How to access Netflix secret menu is easier than it sounds, and it can be done simply and quickly following these steps. Netflix has a huge amount of content, which is great, but can sometimes feel overwhelming. The secret menu will allow you to find movies based on specific subcategories that are not part of the main menu. In order to access this secret menu, you need to log into Netflix from your browser. This will not work on any of the apps. Once you're in Netflix, you will notice that genres have numbers that are part of a URL. That is the case for subgenre pages as well, and those codes are what we call the secret menu. Here's a list of the codes for the most popular subgenres, which are not available on Netflix as part of their menu. If you want the full list or are looking for a specific sub, you can find these on Google. You can also come back to this video and copy any codes that might be useful to you. Now, the way it works is you need to go onto Netflix and type in netflix.com/browse/genre and then copy the code for the subgenre you're looking for. For example, if I want to watch a Western movie, I type in the code for Western, which is 7700. And I'd find all the movies that have been tagged as Western on Netflix. You can do the same for any subgenre. Simply type in the code and you will get anything that has been tagged onto their category. So, that's how you access the secret menu on Netflix. If this helped you, please give it a like and let us know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.